How to swap Solana on Phantom Wallet. For that, you need to launch your Phantom Wallet application, and over here you will be able to see the swap option in the middle. So you need to tap on the swap option and then you will be landed on the swap page. Now in the top right hand corner of the screen you will be able to see the slippage option that would automatically set on 0.5%. so if you want to change it, then you can tap on this option and you can either select it custom if you want to enter your own amount, or you can even use these presets. But I would recommend you to do not change anything. If you don't know anything about the slippage, just keep it on 0.5%. After that, you just have to simply select Solana over here, and then in the two sections you just have to select that particular coin which you want to swap. Now you can swap from Solana to any other network like Ethereum based network, Polygon, and even Solana meme coins. So you just have to simply select the token that you want to swap your Solana with. After that, you need to enter the amount of Solana and it will show you the equivalent amount of coin that you have selected that you will get. Now tap on the swap option in the bottom and initiate your transaction. Now once your transaction is completed, you will be able to easily swap your tokens or your Solana on the Phantom wallet. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.